Okay, so as you can see, we've got our dough into our tray, and you saw that I oiled that tray. Now get your oven on full blast, maximum heat. That's what I do. Now, if you follow my recipe for the dough mixture, you can get 2 of these 12-inch. They're fairly thin. In fact, it's really thin, you can see there. So yeah, 2 12 inches you'll get out of it. Let's get some sauce on there. And as always, I like to put 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of sauce, and then back of the spoon, circular motion. If you want to know how to make the sauce as well, which is very simple indeed, that will be at the end and in the text below. The videos will pop up as I'm chatting away at the end. Okay, so let's go. Let's get some mozzarella on there. Now I'm using a block mozzarella, which I've sliced. We're going to put some gorgonzola on there, nice blue gorgonzola. Nice big piece there. Here I've got a little bit of a cheddar, which I like on there. Now I would have liked to have put some ricotta on there, but because of the lockdown and the current situation, I'm unable to get any ricotta cheese. So I'm going with this. Then here I've got some lovely Parmesan, nice fresh Parmesan. So I'm going to just break that off and get it into pieces all over. So yeah, this is going to go in my oven for about 6 minutes, 6 or 7 minutes. Finally, a little bit of dried oregano or oregano. In she goes into the oven. I'll see you when she comes out. Okay, and while that pizza's in the oven, you can see I've got some rocket here. It's going to put a little bit of olive oil on there. And if you want some balsamic vinegar, I just like just the oil. We're just going to toss that around in there. And that's ready to go on top. Super fab. Okay, so that was 6 minutes in my very hot oven. I just got my domestic oven as hot as I can and got it in there. That is looking incredible. I love that. So let's finish it now with some of that little bit of rocket that we put a little bit of olive oil in. That is incredible. So about this time now, you should see the dough mixture video popping up and the sauce video. I hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.